Hello guys, we are here at Best Buy. We're going to canvas the prices of the cameras. Oh nice. Pali yung DJ Osmo 5 Pro, almost $500. It's good for vlogging guys. This one medyo ano pa, pricey for me. I can't afford. And then gimbal 279. I'm looking for the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. There is a GoPro, $549. So camera wide and 79. Insta camera 99. The other one is $129. And ito mga drone, may 1,000 and may 400. I'm looking for the camera. Ito expensive siya. Nikon. Ito pala tsura, 1,200. 1,200. Mirrorless camera ni Nikon again.